Y'all, did Outre not come through with this color combination? I feel like I should be in California right now because this color. Okay, Outre.
Cut it, hey, cut it, cut my check, coming for the neck, take what I want cause I earn my respect, I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new Outre unit. This one is from the Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Freya in the color DRFF6/Honey over Chocolate. And honey, this color, Outre did it with this color. So with this unit's construction, you do get your typical 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. This one is pre-plucked. It does have baby hairs. It is HD lace, and you do get the 13x6 parting space. Let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. Y'all, there is no baby hairs necessary with this one. They did a perfect job on the hairline, hence the name Perfect Hairline Collection. Outre always comes through with this specific collection for sure. Now the color on this one is giving me everything, you guys. If you can see on camera, this dark color at the bottom is not black. It's actually like a very dark brown. It's darker than a number 4, so it's their own special dark color that they have going on there. So if you did look at the star card and think this one was black, just definitely note it's not black. It's definitely a darker brown, but it definitely does go super well together. And this blonde color has it just has a mix of different blondes in there, like bleach blondes, bronze blondes. It's just a really cute color mix altogether. One of the things I definitely did note with parting this unit was kind of hard, just because they did such a phenomenal job with this darker root color that it's kind of hard to actually see the parting space. But honestly, I can't even complain. I feel like that it's honestly fantastic. Now the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and possibly medium head friendly, you guys. If you have a larger size head, I absolutely would stray on the side of caution with this one and maybe not even pick it up at all. My head is on the smaller to medium size, and honey, this one was a little bit of work. The cap size for some reason is very small. Like honestly, I feel like it's barely fitting me how I want it to fit me, but I was able to make it work. But definitely note, y'all, if you do have a medium to larger size head, this one could definitely be an issue for you. So definitely just keep that in mind if this is one you do plan on picking up. Now the density on this one, I honestly wish it was fuller. The density is definitely like 130%. I would not give it any more than that. It's definitely a very natural density. So I'm a person who definitely does like fuller hair. I'm kind of torn because I feel like I like the color so much that I would just let the density pass. But definitely know if you're somebody who likes thicker, fuller hair, this one's not going to be for you. This is more for the people who like the natural density. This one is definitely on the thinner side, but I don't feel any tracks or anything like that. It does feel like a perfect amount of hair for the style, so definitely keep that in mind. This is not a fuller density unit, but it probably will be super nice and it's super lightweight for the summertime. Now the length on this one is 22 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come just above my boobs. loops. So you see these black tips, it comes right here. This wave pattern, you guys, like, I love it. It's definitely giving like beach vibes, like effortless vibes, like I'm just about to go to the beach somewhere and go surf. Like, I really, really love this curl pattern. And one of the things I liked the most about it, I was a little bit nervous to finger comb it because I thought maybe the curls would fall, and I just went in, I finger combed it, and I also went in with my wide tooth comb, and the curls do have their integrity, so you definitely can go through, play around different styles with this one, and also go through with a wide tooth comb if you feel the need to, because I just wanted to vibe it up some, give it some more density. So I definitely was a fan of the fact that messing with my fingers and combing through it didn't mess up the integrity of the curls, so that was wonderful. So this one is also heat safe up to 400 degrees. You can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. I did add a little heat right here. It was kind of a look in itself. It's kind of giving that kind of 80s vibe where you're like, where your scalp is kind of teased. It kind of was its own look, but I just wanted to flatten it down some. And it definitely did take heat well. And if I forgot to mention the texture on this one, I love the fact that it's not silky, you guys. It's weird because it's kind of like a texture that I can't really nail down, but it's definitely not silky. If I had to guess, it's definitely more of a medium yaki texture. So I was absolutely a fan of this because I thought that it was going to be a silky unit, but it's definitely not silky, honey. So I'm definitely a fan of the texture. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit, y'all. Once again, y'all gonna get sick of me saying I have no cons when it comes to this unit. My only one maybe-ish con would probably be the fact that I just wish it was a little more density, maybe if it was like 150%, but other than that, like I said, I feel like it's so beautiful that I'm not even knocking the density. So my pros on this unit are gonna be the color. Like the color, the wave pattern, the fact that it's unique. The color was absolutely excellently executed. Outre, the hairline, the baby hairs, like the texture. I think all in all, this is just a really super cute unit. Honestly, I think if I picked it up in a natural color, I wouldn't be as wowed by it. The look itself, I feel like it's cute enough, but this color, I feel like it's just stepping up to a whole different level. But that's honestly pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.